In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Exchange account to Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have your work email, calendar, and contacts syncing smoothly, and you'll know what to do if something doesn't connect the first time. Start by opening Outlook. If it's your first time, Outlook may prompt you to add an account right away. If you already use Outlook, go to the File menu and choose Add Account. On a Mac, open Outlook, select Settings, then Accounts, and choose the option to add a new account. Type your work email address carefully and select Connect. In most environments, Outlook will detect Exchange automatically. When the sign-in window appears, enter your organizational credentials and complete any required verification. Many companies use multi-factor authentication, so be ready to approve a sign-in notification or enter a code. If you see a prompt to allow your organization to manage this device, read it closely. On a company computer, this is often required. If it's a personal device and your organization allows it, look for an option to sign into this app only. Choose the option that matches your company's policy. Once authenticated, Outlook begins adding the mailbox. You may be asked if you want to set this as your default account. Choose Yes if it's your primary work email. Outlook will then start syncing mail, calendar, and contacts. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially on large mailboxes. You can monitor progress on the status bar. It will say something like, "All folders are up to date when finished." To confirm everything's working, create a quick test message to yourself and check that it arrives. Open the calendar and contacts to verify they've appeared. If you need to make this the default account later, go to File, Account Settings, select your account, and set it as default. If the automatic setup doesn't connect, select Advanced Options and choose Let me set up my account manually. Pick Exchange, then sign in again. For Microsoft 365, Outlook usually fills in the server details for you, but if it asks, contact your IT team for the correct server name and settings. Turning on Cached Exchange mode can improve performance on Windows by keeping a local copy of your mailbox. If you run into repeated password prompts, close Outlook, update your password if it recently changed, and try again. Clearing old saved credentials or restarting your device can also help. That's it. You've added your Exchange account to Outlook and verified mail, calendar, and